In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung tablet to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly connect your Samsung tablet, regardless of the model, to a Wi-Fi network. You will be able to access the internet, configure various different networks, and it is super simple to do. This process is going to be the same across any Samsung tablet model that you have. So modern ones or older ones, you can still use this video. So all that you have to do is swipe down from the top, and usually the very first option is going to be setting up a network or Wi-Fi available here. If you don't want to use this menu, you can also go over to the settings. So either swipe down and tap on this icon here, or browse through all of the applications and find the settings app. Once you go into the settings, or you tap and hold on this icon for Wi-Fi, you will be able to set it up. So if you went over to the settings, or if you press and held on the Wi-Fi button, you will find connections, and in here you can tap once again on Wi-Fi. First, make sure that it is enabled, and once you tap on connections and Wi-Fi, you will see all of the connections that you have available near you. You will see the signal strength displayed by these icons, and the more lines you see, the closer you are to the connection, and then all that you have to do is select any of these, and if they are password protected, you will have to input the password, of course. If you aren't sure of which password you have set up for your network, you will have to contact your ISP and ask them for help. But all that you have to do here is type out the password that you will be using for this network, and once you type out the password and you choose the option to connect, the network is going to be saved into your Samsung tablet. Like I said, this will work for any model, and you will be able to have multiple connections at once. If you ever take your Samsung tablet with you and you go to a different locations and you have to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, then this one is going to be saved, and when you come back, it is going to automatically connect. You don't have to repeat this process every single time. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung tablet to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.